As Los Angeles tries to upgrade its image, some old allegations of police brutality have resurfaced. CNN's Robert Vito reports the city council is divided over how to compensate one man.
The city of L.A. may soon be shelling out more money in a police brutality case. The city council tonight considering increasing the damage award to an elderly, deaf, and blind man who filed suit.
Raymond Hewlitt is 72 years old. He is legally deaf and blind, and 2 days before Rodney King was beaten, Hewlitt found himself the victim of police brutality in Los Angeles. Today, city council members tried to decide how much money he should get for being beaten by police.
And the LA City Council split today over the amount the city should pay to a legally blind and deaf 72-year-old man who wandered into a police drug bust last year and came out with cuts, bruises, and broken ribs, all reportedly delivered by police. Joanna Shamina has the latest.
I looked at it and I said, there's something wrong here. And
Today, LA City Councilman Joel Wax says he felt compelled to challenge the city's proposed settlement offer in the case of this man, Raymond Hewlitt, a 72-year-old indigent who is legally considered blind and deaf. In March, over a year ago, Hewlitt allegedly wandered unwittingly into the middle of a police bust of 3 drug suspects on this downtown Skid Row street. Although he was warned off, he says he didn't comply simply because he couldn't understand.
He was told or motioned by one of the officers, or both, to move around. He was not capable of understanding that or comprehended that and continued to walk into the fracas. As a result, one of the officers pushed him up against a car. He apparently was resisting that act because he didn't know what was going on and was flailing his arms in the air.
Hewlitt suffered cuts on his face and 6 fractured ribs. Hewitt's attorney says he was forced to settle because of his client's inability to testify as the only witness in the case. But now, in a rare move, the city council is actually reconsidering whether Hewlitt deserves more than $36,000.
And they're questioning the amount of the award, that they are acting very responsibly, and I laud them for that.
government has to have a heart. Government has to care about people. People have to know that government won't allow injustices like this to go on.
It's very commendable, and I think it's maybe setting